I love 90s music. I love 90s style. And I love 90s makeup. So we're going to do a full-on 90s look today. Do you guys like my hair? A little sporty spice for you. I obviously wanted to be a posh, but always got assigned baby because of the blonde hair. I was typecasted, but it's fine because I also got to play Sailor Moon. So it's like, my face makeup is done because today's video is gonna focus on eyes and lips, but I kept things pretty simple. Foundation, little bronzer, a little bit of blush. 90s was really about a strong eye and a strong lip. They put it all out there. Play this video, put on your favorite 90s jam. Ooh, now I'm like a 90s disc jockey. This is Sloane Glass on the 4s and 5s. So we had our 90s models with their grunge, their browns, so chic. Love it. And then we had our 90s babies with their blues and their pinks and their colors and their glitter. And we're gonna play in both areas today. So of course I had to break out my Urban Decay Elements eyeshadow palette. Should I do pink or blue? I think I'm gonna go with blue. I was definitely more of a blue girl. I thought that there was nothing cooler than having blue nail polish. I thought if you had blue nail polish, nothing could stop you. It said everything about who you were. And there's one movie that did that to me. If you know it, you know it. Obviously, I want this look to last. So we are going to make sure it stays put all day with a little shadow primer from Urban Decay. Do you remember when Urban Decay was all about the nail polishes and the coolest thing you could own was a nail polish from Urban Decay? Throwback. Ugh, I just love the supermodels of the 90s. Clearly, I've been wearing my hair up so much because I, not so secretly, want to cut it all off. So let me know what you guys think. Would you still be my friend if I cut all my hair off? Well, you wouldn't have been my friend in the first place if the answer is no. I have to stop scrunching my face like that. That's how your face freezes that way. That's another 90s thing. Remember when our parents used to tell us, don't make that face, it's going to freeze that way. Well, guess what? Mine did, Mom. These brows didn't come out of nowhere. It came from me going like this all the time. I'm going to start with the shade Elemental to add a little bit of definition. Although these eyes are meant to be fun, so you can be a little sloppy with them. Don't think you have to be so exact. Wow, it's so highly pigmented. I love the color play off. I feel like normally it would take me a long time to build to that, and I kind of got it in one swoop. Oh my gosh, see, this is making me kind of want to do a grungy look. And I'm going to take the same color underneath my eyes. I'm going a bit lower than my actual eye line. Just kind of give the illusion that my eyes are bigger than they are. Kind of rounding them out. I'm not going to buff this out because I want it to look slightly grungy and a little messy. If it's too messy, you can always go in with a Q-tip, but since I did a decent job, I don't have to do that. Normally I would have the most intense color on the outer corner and then do something lighter in the center, and that might be a bit more modern of a look, but this is 90s, baby, so we're putting that pop of color right in the center of the eye. I cleaned off my Real Techniques brush and now I'm going to go in with this Heavenly Water shade. Taking it underneath as well for a bit of a rocker look. I actually really like the color in the inner corners. I think it's really cool and creative. Since everything in the 90s was very frosted, I'm going to take this center shade Luna, which applied over any color in the palette or any other colors in your repertoire. Creates a bit of a holographic effect. So I'm just going to use my finger for that. I didn't apply any color to the center of my eyes. I don't think that that really became a trend until Instagram, that people had to cover every inch of their eyes with makeup when doing it. It used to just be that you would add color where you wanted the color. That's what I'm doing. I'm not doing eyeliner except for tight lining my lash line with some intense black. This is Smashbox eyeliner. This is their Always On Gel Eyeliner in the shade Fishnet. It's super creamy. Isn't this fun? The Big Ego Mascara from Tarte. Love the neon. All right, let's put on some mascara. Okay, I seriously think my eyelashes look fake after putting on this mascara. I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna add some fake freckles, which I've never done before, but I've always wanted to. Feels very 90s. I am going to achieve this by using my brow pen, tried and true product. Let's see how it works on the face, over makeup. I hope I don't destroy my brow pen. This is Urban Decay's Brow Blade in the shade Taupe. One side is a pen, the other side is a pencil. Now my pencil side broke because I lost the cap for it. I'm just gonna kind of go for this and not overthink it. Which is probably the key. Oh, how fun is this? And of course, a 90s beauty mark. Makeup's amazing. Oh, I love these freckles. Am I gonna be someone who puts fake freckles on themselves every day? I want a really peachy, fun highlight. So I'm reaching for my Algenist Luminizing Drops in the shade Rose. I'm using a damp beauty blender for this. I want to be super glowy in those areas. This is a very fun look, you know? Of course, I need a brown lip liner to really just not blend into the rest of the look. Oh, you know what? My lips are dry. Let's scrub them first. Sarah Happ lip scrub. Did a dog chew on this? Maybe they didn't scrub their lips in the 90s, but doesn't mean I can't. Don't my lips look so much better now? Looks like I have color on them, but I don't. Love Sarah Happ lip I got it everywhere. I have been going through this thing today where I spill everything. I dropped over a cactus. Oh, let me just show you my phone. Do you see this? The best part is I have a case on my phone. How did that happen and when? Okay, lip liner. I'm so excited. So of course, the key is to not blend it. I don't know why this was a thing. And of course your gloss has to have some metallic in it. So I have these two from Buxom that I'm deciding between. Let's take a look. I almost feel like the lighter one. So we can really just like let everything else shine through. Oh, this is perfect. Oh my gosh, I would have just loved to have been wearing this makeup. The minty smell. The only thing that would make this lip gloss better is if it smelled like soda. It'd be very 90s. Why did we want everything to smell like soda? I had soda scented perfume. Like, why did I, as a human being, want to smell like a soda? And I bought it at the pharmacy. I feel like the rock star that I was born to be. That's what I tell myself. When I'm feeling really low and I need energy, I go, I am a rock god. Awesome. My brother taught me that. Sloane Glass, you are a rock god and no one can take you down. I can't wait to listen to music. I just want to listen to music when this is done and one day my children will watch this and be mortified. But until that day comes, I have you guys to be mortified with. Comment below your favorite 90s rock star, and if your answer isn't me, it better be good. Wow, could it be that my hair is falling out of one of the 4,000 clips in it? In the 90s, they didn't believe in hair ties. Not slow enough. You all make me very happy. Until next Wednesday, I'm Sloane Glass, and I will see you later, ladies and gentlemen.